guys, welcome back to the Bush Squad. Welcome back to another video. Today I have a video for you guys that's sponsored by Temu. They sent over this package that I already pre-opened to share with you guys everything that they sent to me. If you never heard of Temu, it's an online shop. They pretty much have everything you need: household items, clothes, shoes, toys, electronics, everything. There's not really much that I could think of that they don't have on this site. And if you guys have been rocking with me, you see that I've done plenty of Temu videos in the past. So let's get right into what they sent me. So I did get Christmas decor items. So everything in this package is going to be a Christmas decor item. So this is the first thing I'm going to pull out right here. So these are two door flags that you can hang up to like decorate your door, as you can see on the picture right here. Your front door, and I got like the little gingerbread theme. So one of them says Mary. This is the first one. It's really long, so you guys will probably get a better view of it from the picture, but it is really good quality from what I see, and it has like the little string to hang it on. It's super long as well, really long, so this should look really nice. I'm thinking about hanging this on my two columns in front of my house. I think this will go perfect right there, and I will show you guys how it turns out and how I decorate this. So this is the first one. It came in a set of two, so it came with both of them, which was awesome that it came in a set like that. So this one says Christmas, and it's really cute. I love the little gingerbread on there, and I love how the Christmas is in like little decorated cookies, and it's sitting on a gingerbread house. That is super cute, and so my style. Very high quality. I'm loving this. So this is the first item. I also have the price of it on the screen as well, in case I forgot what the price was. I know the price was like amazing for a set of two. Use my code fav4557 for a 30% off discount off of your first Temu order. So the next item I got are these solar lights to hang up outside, and these come in handy. Let's just put it like that. They come in handy because if you're anything like me, I'll always forget to go outside and turn the lights on. So with the solar lights, they automatically come on when it gets dark. And these are pretty long. I'm not gonna unwrap them, but they are pretty long. And it comes with a lot of them. So you guys will see me decorate with these and see how they turn out. I'm thinking I'm gonna put these on the tree, or maybe, I don't know, maybe around the house. And it comes with this little stake that you can put into the ground and kind of like connect it like that. Or if you're gonna put it on the house, you don't have to put the stake on there. You could just like sit it on the top of your house. But yeah, these are so convenient because you don't have to remember to turn them on. They automatically come on when it gets dark. And they are beautiful. They have different modes that they work in. You could put them in blinking mode. You could put them in standard, just, light up mode, change colors, just all clear lights. They come in different modes. So however your mood is feeling, that's how your lights could be. But yeah, these are awesome. I'm loving these, and these were a steal for the price as well. All product links are in my description box. Temu gives my audience a 100% coupon bundle to save more during the holiday season. Search my code fav4557 to get 30% off your first purchase. The next item I got was this adorable little train. Now this was a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be from the picture, but oh my God, it don't take away from how cute it is and how the detail is. So let me try to like hook this together for you guys. So here it is all put together, and that is super cute. I have a little Christmas town, and this is gonna go perfect with my little Christmas town. This is so super cute. I love it. I love all the detail that they put into it. The next item I got is in this box right here. And it is a set of 2 little Christmas lanterns. So one is like a little Santa Claus and a Christmas tree on there. And let's see if we could turn it on. There it is, turned on. It is so cute. These are smaller than I thought as well, but they are so cute. So I'm not mad that they're small because they're really, really super cute and high quality as well. Like, they don't feel cheap. They don't look cheap. They're just small, but so cute. And I have the perfect spot for these, so you guys will see how I decorate those as well. And I love how the little candle light just kind of flickers. It makes it look like a real candle. And it came with a set of 2. This one has a little snowman on it. These are so super cute. You really can't see like the gist of it because it's too lit in this room. But you guys will see how they look in a darker room. They look amazing. So I'm really, really loving these, guys. This is a great buy. Moving on to the last item in this haul. The last item is this Christmas projector, and I got this to go on the garage outside. So I'm really hoping that these work good because from the photo, it looks really nice. Like, it's gonna look real nice. I'm gonna show you guys how it turns out as well once it gets dark. I'm gonna go outside and hook them up and let you guys see how they look. So it just comes with this little USB port. I have to put like a little end piece on there and plug it in and hook them up so you guys could see. But it's small and out of the way, but hopefully it's powerful once it's all lit up. I haven't seen how it looks yet, so we're gonna see together once it gets dark tonight. And this was an amazing price as well because I know that these could get pretty expensive. I bought like one of these from Hobby Lobby before. I bought one from Big Lots before, and they're kind of pricey. So this was under $10. So that's an amazing price for a really nice Christmas projector. Alright guys, so I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in any of the items that I showed in this video today, they will be listed below in my description box. So you go ahead, click that link, order yours today. They are having a 90% off sale that's still ongoing right now. So it's not too late to get some last minute Christmas decor out of the way or get any shopping done that you need to do. Because trust me, you might go on there for Christmas decor, but you're going to see a whole lot of other stuff that you want to purchase as well. So happy shopping. Go ahead, hit those links in my description box below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and check out Temu. Go ahead, download the app, or you can go to their website and let's go shopping, get some stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.